Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn some more Telugu sentences using could. Here could it is the past form of can only. In Telugu it means galiganu. As you know, the structure in English is subject clause could clause verb one and other was. Let's see some sentences in Telugu. I could run fast. నేను నడవగలిగాను. She could sing the song. ఆమె ఆ పాట పాడగలిగింది. He could climb the tree. అతడు చెట్టు ఎక్కగలిగాడు. Let's see the next one. They could do this work. వారు ఈ పనిని చేయగలిగారు. We could go to temple in barefoot. మేము కాలినడకన గుడికి వెళ్ళగలిగాము. I could speak French. నేను ఫ్రెంచ్లో మాట్లాడగలిగాను. మదర్ కుడ్ కుక్ చికెన్ టేస్టీ చికెన్ బిర్యానీ. అమ్మ రుచికరమైన చికెన్ బిర్యానీ వంట చేయగలిగింది. Friends, as of now this much, you keep practice and keep learning to make you a little bit perfect in Telugu language. Friends, if you like the video, then like, comment and subscribe my channel without forgetting to make me encourage to prepare same like more video. Friends, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of you.